What's up, YouTube? What's up to all of my subscribers out there? Thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, I am Ronnie. I am from the Sunshine State of Florida. And today, it's not raining, but it does look like it's going to rain. But anyway, I wanted to come on, just briefly give you all just a little update of sort of kind of what my day is like. Today is Saturday, and I am headed to a last minute signing. Got it last night, and they asked me would I do it, and I said yes. The amount was $110 for a 16-page seller's package. So I am headed to Lake City, and they did ask me if I would bring a witness, and I have a witness that is going with me this morning. The drive is about 40 minutes, and so we're going to head on up north, knock it out, and head back. So I'll let you all know how it went. I'll come on, give a little bit of a synopsis of what happened. But what can happen? It's only 16 pages, one witness. Well, I need two witnesses. In Florida, the notary can be one. And so we'll probably pick up some breakfast and head on back. It is scan backs, and they would like it to be shipped today. So my FedEx hub closes at 12 noon, so we'll definitely be back. This should only take about 30 minutes, if that, and we'll head on back. I'll go to FedEx, take care of that, and we're done. So stay tuned. I'll be back and give you all an update. Hello, subscribers, and thank you so much for tuning back in to a wrap-up video from today. So this morning I did a video, and it was a video on my way to a signing in Lake City. And let's just say it was a last-minute signing. Okay, and so we got to Starbucks in Lake City. The signing went so well. It was quick and easy. We were done at 9:23. I did scan backs right there at Starbucks, so the signer was able to see how I do my processing of scan backs. The signer was very happy, but sort of kind of shocked, like, what is she doing? And so he was like very amazed, but happy that he was able to see his documents literally go through the scanner and be processed at the same time. So he was excited, got those scan backs done. I was going to ship them FedEx from the same city, but their FedEx did not open until 10. So I went ahead, came all the way back to Gainesville, and went to the hub and shipped the documents that way. And so everything was good. That was another successful signing. And what I want to point out is, though, I learned at the signing why it was a last-minute signing. The signer volunteered and told me that his signing was scheduled for yesterday. However, the notary signing agent vehicle broke down, and that's the reason why I received a call late last night to do the signing today. So that's what happened. It was a last minute signing, and I was available, and I am so grateful that I was. So be on the lookout for those last minute signings. A lot of times they pay sometimes double because they want to get the signing completed. Okay. And so I am so happy that I was available, went, came, and I am done. And so that is the gist of sometimes my weekends or my late days consist of same day or late signings. And unfortunately, it may not be you working all day every day, but if you're available to pick up those last minute signings, you're doing just as well. And I am so grateful that I was available. So I'm going to talk about one or two other things. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is I am using my new book, Integrity Notary Journal, and I love it. So for those of you that are looking or have been looking for a new notary journal, check out this book, Integrity Notary Journal. I purchased mine from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. There are a few more lines that is required or that you will fill in, but it's information that you would want for that signing anyway, okay? And so I am enjoying my journal book. Now, what is one thing that I absolutely like about this journal book? Let me tell you. I love it because you have an option to buy paperback or you can buy the hardcover. And so I spent a few more dollars. I bought the hardcover because I'm like heavy-handed. And so, yeah, I love that. And so they have two options. You can do the paperback or you can do the hardcover and take your pick, okay? And so for a few more dollars, I think the hard book is worth it. Either one, I love my book. Now, the last thing that I'm going to talk about is my upcoming notary workshop, Florida Notary Workshop. That's right. You heard it right here on notadoc.com. And so when is it? It is going to be Saturday, September the 21st, 2024 at 10 a.m. It's going to be held at the Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott here in Gainesville, Florida, off of Archer Road near I-75. Again, it starts at 10 a.m. We're going to go to 1:30-ish, and brunch lunch is included. That's what I said. Brunch lunch is included. We're not talking about pretzels, potato chips, Snickers. We're not talking about cheese, crackers, and Slim Jims. We're talking about lunch. Brunch is included. And so this is going to be a nice educational notary workshop. And it is designed to help you improve your notary skills, your communication skills, your entrepreneur skills, your business skills. We are definitely going to talk about state laws and rules, which is very important as a notary or a notary signing agent. It is so important for you to know the laws, and you may not know them all at the same time, but there are quite a few that you need to know before you walk into the notary industry. We're going to talk about networking. We're going to talk about marketing. And of course, we're definitely going to talk about successful signings. What you need to know to complete a successful signing. And of course, we're probably going to go off left, right field and talk about a lot of other things. And that is good too. We want you to bring your questions because we're going to answer them. Okay. And so come one, come all. The fee again is $75, or should I say the fee is only $75. So go to my website, www.notadoc.com. On that very first home page, click on Notary Workshop. When you get to the training coaching page, you're going to click register. So go ahead if you have not reserved your seat. Go ahead and reserve your seat because seats are limited, okay? So I'm excited. I want to meet you. I want you to meet me. And I appreciate all of my subscribers. So this video, like it, share it, hit the subscribe button, and most important, don't forget to hit the bell so that you will not miss my next video. Okay? Thank you all so much for watching, whether it's in the morning, if it's in the afternoon, or if it's in the evening, or if it's at midnight. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the like, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.